I have been threatening to paint this cabinet for weeks, and today's the day. I'm finally going to get around to it. That's good stuff. So here it is. I finally finished it. It took me a couple of hours because I kind of took my time and I always get distracted doing other things. But here it is. Now the countertop looks kind of too light, but I'm not going to change it. I'm going to leave it just like it is. What I might do though is I might paint just the edge of the countertop. Paint it the same color as this so it blends in. But I'm not going to do anything with the countertop. I'm going to leave it just the way it is. It's got a little finish on it. And yeah, I don't really care too much about that. What do you think? Now the bed frame, the white, I still need to do something about that. I haven't decided what I'm going to do, but it's a work in progress. I'm just going to live with it for a couple of days or maybe a week and see how I feel about it. Then, depending how I feel about it, I'll get started on this one. This cabinet right here needs the same thing. And my bed frame, I know it doesn't match, but it will match eventually. Just, I'm still not sure what I'm going to be doing with the bed, but something very similar to how it is now, except I'm going to cut the sides a lot better. Now that I know what I'm doing, kind of. The back side of the bed, this piece right here, I think I want it to be taller. I think I want it to come up to, well, a lot higher than what it is. That's what's going on over here. I think it came out too dark. I didn't want it to be that dark a brown, but We'll see. Hopefully it'll grow on me. Alrighty, I'm out. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of my cabinet? I'm feeling it. I like it. Cranberry juice and frozen strawberries. Oh my God, this is... Oh, it's great. Someone asked me what these things were the other day, so I figured I'd give you guys a tour. These are our emergency water reserve tanks. This is the step ladder I use to come up here. Anyway, we checked the water levels from the top, but I didn't bring you guys here to check water levels. I wanted to bring you guys up here so I could show off my beautiful views from up here. Watching my step. It is kind of slippery up here, but check out my beautiful views.